Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log into the Southcare Connect app and start using it for your invoices, appointments, games, and more. First, locate and open the Southcare Connect app on your device. Once the app is open, enter your phone number in the space provided. After typing in your number, tap the Login button. You will then receive a message from Southcare that includes a verification code. Open your Messages app and look for the most recent message sent to you, and make sure you use the latest code. Copy or remember the code, then return to the Southcare Connect app. Enter the verification code in the required field and confirm it to verify your account. Once verified, you will be logged in. Next, review and accept the terms and conditions. And that's it. You have successfully logged into the Southcare Connect app and can now start using it. Remember to check out our other videos for more help using Southcare Connect.